Hello everybody, welcome to the SolidMetal Marketplace webinar. First, Emil Somekh will give a short introduction, and then David Somekh will give the webinar for the SolidMetal Marketplace. I will make now Emil presenter. Emil, you are a presenter now.
Hello everybody, welcome to the SolidMetal webinar. It's an exciting marketplace that we have launched for the service of our customers and for buyers who want to get the service of our customers. I think most of you have already seen our new website. It's an amazing new website, and we have invested a lot in making it the best in the CAM world. Like SolidCAM is the best CAM product, we have now the best also website. And as you see on the top, next week we have SolidCAM World 2022 in Tel Aviv. It's a worldwide reseller conference with all our staff and resellers coming from all over the world. It will be a 2-day event, an amazing event with a lot of new information about our products, about our Desktop Metal strategic cooperation, about SolidCAM 2022, what's coming also in 2023. So obviously, this is not for customers and prospects, but we are recording by video all the presentations, and we'll be posting them in our website soon, so that soon after the finishing of the event, so that all of you could enjoy watching these presentations. So if you look at the homepage of our new website, we have a very nice part of it. I have to show again my screen. We have a very nice here portion of it is the SolidMetal Marketplace. If I will press on it, we go to this marketplace, and the target of this marketplace, as I already mentioned, is to link our customers, who we call manufacturers, those customers who have a valid subscription and also iMachining. Because if we are going to offer their services to buyers from all over the world, we have to make sure that they have at least our latest version and are benefiting from the advantage of the latest version. And obviously they have the iMachining model so that they could cut the piece in shorter time and give better quotes to buyers. So it's a win-win for our SolidCAM customers and from all over the world, and from the buyers who will find them from all over the world. And we are marketing this website extensively in all social media so that buyers can find it. Enjoy the demonstration by David.
David, I will make you a presenter now. You are a presenter.
Thanks. Hi, everyone. Great to have you here. Welcome to the webinar. This is an exciting day for me personally, and I think also for the company. A product that we have been working very hard on for the last year or so. And we are now in the first steps of launching it internationally. We will present it in the webinar today, a presentation and the product itself. And next week, I will be talking about it in SolidCAM World in Tel Aviv. So basically, what is the basic concept of SolidMetal? SolidMetal is a marketplace that connects buyers and manufacturers. Manufacturers are our customers that have valid subscription and iMachining, allowing them to produce great machining results and allowing us to know that because they are on subscription, they have our latest and greatest version and can provide the best service to the potential buyers. And potential buyers are buyers that have CNC projects or 3D printing projects that they need to manufacture and can use these manufacturers. And basically, SolidMetal exposes them to the entire world where they can find validated manufacturers, which are our customers. So it's really, it's like a social media marketplace designated for CNC and 3D printing. Here in this slide, this explains more about the products. It's a cloud platform that connects our manufacturer with the buyers. As I said earlier, it's free for SolidCam customers under two conditions, that they have subscription and then have iMachining. And it's completely free for potential buyers. Buyers don't pay us anything. Of course, they will pay the manufacturer for the project, but they don't pay us anything. So the initial registration is completely free. So basically, how does it work? The manufacturer registers, and this is what I will show you in momentarily, and adds all the details about eCNC shop. I will walk you through that wizard real soon. And then his profile is displayed on SolidMetal. And then the buyer can register and see the list of these validated manufacturers and contact these manufacturers directly through the platform. Or if the buyer wants, he can upload his CNC project and the project details, the due date, the part file, the job description, and also bookmark his favorite manufacturers. So let me walk you through the registration to SolidMetal. So this is solidmetal.com. This is our website for it. As you can see, a brief explanation about the product, about the concept. Also, the entire SolidMetal platform is translated. As you can see, the list of languages right here. So you can switch instantly to German. You can switch instantly to French. So it's really localized in each language. I will do the webinar in English. So this is the website. You get a brief explanation about the product. You can say learn more about what is a manufacturer. You can say learn more about the buyer to see more what the buyer is offered. And of course, you can register by creating an account. So when you create an account, you can create an account either as a buyer, either as a manufacturer, or either as a reseller. A reseller account is just like a demo account for resellers to show their customers the platform. Let me walk you through the manufacturer registration. So you need to upload the basic details, your name, the company name, and of course your license number. And this is how we validate that you are on subscription and you have iMachining. So you need to insert your license number and you need to insert your email, the password of your choice, and then you start the sign-up process. This is basically the manufacturer wizard. At the beginning of the wizard, you are prompted to add the most important thing about your CNC shop, your machines. You have two options. You can either add the list manually, or if all your machines are defined in a VMID folder from SolidCam, you can also import it directly from VMID. So if I select the option to add manually, I can add a list of machines. Let's say I have an AS, machine model AS. I can say exactly what is the machine type. Of course, I can be more specific in the model. This is just for the demonstration. I can add another machine. I select also the machine type. As you can see, I can add also 3D printers. So this is a list of machine types. It's milling up to 5-axis, mill turn up to 5-axis, Swiss type, and turning. So I can add as much as machines as I have in the shop, or if I have them configured already to save time, I can import them from VMID. So, okay, after I added the list of machines, I continue the wizard, and I select the list of CNC shop capabilities. We have assembly, welding, laser marking, coating, polishing, etc., to give the buyer a better understanding of what capabilities I have. So let's, for the demo, select welding, CMM, engraving. And then I need to select the machining materials that I work with. Let's say for the demo, I will select aluminum, composite materials, stone, and copper. And also to give a better understanding and to help the buyer search and find really the best manufacturer, I also need to specify which industry types I work in. So as much as more details as I give about my CNC shop will make it easier for the buyers to find me and contact me. So it's important that it be as specific as I can. So let's say I do general machining, and let's say I also do automotive parts. And I click next. Then I give some basic details about the company. Just a moment. I give a little description about the CNC shop. Also, I can upload my company logo. I need to give info about my ISO certifications, if I have ISO and if I don't have ISO. What kind of manufacturing activity do I do? Do I do mass production? Do I do prototypes? Also, of course, the workshop address. And also I have the possibility for workshop pictures of my workshop to show to the potential buyers how does my workshop look, to give them a better understanding. And also parts pictures, parts that I manufactured. Also, so, okay, just a second. I also can enter my address manually or select it automatically. So I have these two options. So after I completed the initial manufacturer wizard, I'm being taken to the dashboard of the manufacturer. What do I see here basically? I see here, first of all, that there are 4 open projects that I can view right now and maybe apply to them. Also, the system advises me that my profile is not yet complete. It advises me to add a phone number, a company logo. It shows me how complete my my profile is. So as much as more details and as much as I walk through the dashboard steps, it means I will have a better profile and more engagement. And it gives me the initial action items to create new projects, to explore manufacturers, because also as a manufacturer, sometimes I need to outsource my CNC jobs. So also manufacturers can create projects and find other manufacturers. So not only buyers can create projects, but also manufacturers can create projects. So let me walk you through creating a project. So in the dashboard, I can click create new project, and then I need to insert details about the project. the project title, the start date of the project, the end date of the project, project description, and the delivery address of the parts. Also, I need to select the industry types of the project. This, of course, will also help the manufacturer find my project, and I can add parts. This is more specific details about the part. I can add a PDF. I can upload drawings of the part, name, quantity, how many parts do I need, and also for the example, I will upload SLD PRT. And then it takes me to the project page. I can view, make sure that my project, all my details are inserted correctly. And then when I'm sure about it, I can click Publish Now. As soon as I click Publish, the project will become online. And then every manufacturer can send me offers, chat with me about the project, ask for more details. So let's walk through the project list. There are two actually live projects right now in the system. You see, one is a project from a manufacturer, from a buyer in the US. As you can see the shipping address, you can see the start date, the due date, and also he uploaded the PDF. He uploaded more details about the project. So these are projects that you can go and make offers for right now, right after the webinar. You can go inside and start bidding for them because there are projects that were uploaded recently and are still open. So this is your chance. So this is another project that someone from Estonia uploaded. You can add comments, ask more details about the project, and you can contact the buyer directly. You can click message right here and start chatting with the buyer instantly. Of course, the buyer is not always connected, but if he's not connected, he will receive an email alert. So this is another very nice feature of the product. You can chat with everyone. You can ask every buyer that is registered on the system, you can chat with them. I will show you. You see all the users that are registered divided by manufacturers, buyers. You can search for them, and it really makes the communication simpler. And also, you can chat directly on the project page. You can add comments. You can say, I need more details. You can upload files. If you want to bid on the project, you can upload your price offer. And if you upload your price offer as the manufacturer, only the buyer can see it. So other manufacturers cannot see it. So because this is my project, all the comments that I'm adding are globally visible. But if you as a manufacturer comment on a buyer project, only you and the buyer can see what you added. So for now, let's delete this project because it's just a test project. Of course, at any time, as long as the project is still open and it was not assigned to any manufacturer, you can edit it. You can add more details, and you can, of course, also remove it. So then I'm being taken back to the dashboard. I see all the recent activity. The system shows me that I published a project. Everything that I did is shown here in the dashboard, which makes it simpler for me. The next time I log in, I can go ahead and view all the items that I viewed instantly. So, and also, of course, if I have some feedback about the product, there is here the option to send us feedback, idea, feedback, support request. You can also upload files. So if you have any ideas while you browse the product, if you have any ideas to us, any comments, any problems that you find, feel free always to contact us, and we'll be very happy to hear your feedback. And I can also view the manufacturer list. So like I said earlier, I can either upload projects and wait for manufacturers to bid on the project, or I can view the manufacturer list and talk with manufacturers directly. For example, this manufacturer from Czech Republic, I can go to his profile. I can make him as a favorite manufacturer, and then I will see him at the dashboard. And also I can start a chat with him. I can message him. I can also email him, call him. I can bookmark him for projects. And also I can share his profile through Facebook, through LinkedIn. If I want to share my profile, I can share it. You see, we have here a button where you can instantly, let's say, after you uploaded your profile, see here in the top in the header, you can navigate to your public profile and you can publish it to Facebook immediately. So I have a button to upload to Facebook. I can click and say, I just registered to SolidMetal, see my great profile. This will obviously help me get more profile views, help that my profile will have more activity, and then it's published to Facebook, to my profile. Everybody can see it on my feed. You see, as you can see here. And also you have the same possibility with LinkedIn. So the system also gives me a profile score. As much as more pictures that I upload on my CNC shop, on my parts, everything, my score will be better, and then my profile will be more visible. So for example, 4.2 is not such a good score. It means that I need to upload more pictures, and then the system automatically will promote my profile more. Like you see here, we have a customer in Israel that has a very nice profile. He uploaded pictures of CNC shop. So he uploaded his machine information, a very detailed list of machines. So he has a better profile. So he is on the top of the list. So it's very important to always maintain your profile. Every once in a while, go back, make sure it's up to date. Not just upload it once and forget about it. Because as much as my profile is more updated, it means more engagement and more profile views. And of course, the dashboard also shows me how many profile views I have, and I get also alerts when people are interested in my profile. So the manufacturer list, of course, it's a very big list, but I can search in it with predefined filters like capabilities. You see a list of exactly the capabilities, exactly who has what capability. I can filter. Let's say I want to see only manufacturers that can do engraving, so I can filter by capabilities, by engraving. I can filter by machine type, exactly what machines they have. I can filter by number of machines. I can filter by number of materials, and I can always reset my filters to show the entire list. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. So this is exactly what I showed you right now. And so really, SolidMetal to your CNC shop to every CNC shop in the world that uses SolidCam is really a great chance to expose your CNC shop to the world, and instantly, right? If you have iMachining, if you have subscription, you can instantly publish your shop to the entire world, because we as the company, SolidCam, we are very excited about this project, and we will market it and we will push it. You see, we have the link in our website. We are publishing it on Google. We will publish it all over the place. So, I mean, it's a no-brainer as a SolidCam customer. And for you, for the SolidCam resellers, you need to expose the product as soon as you can to your customers, because it will encourage them to stay on subscription, to have iMachining, right? Because why do we request customers to have iMachining to bring SolidMetal? Because we then know that they can do the best job, right? We know that they have the best product because they are on subscription, and we know that they have iMachining, which means that they can do the best machining times. So as far as we're concerned, they are a validated manufacturer, and this is why we want to publish this list. Of course, also on our website, on the SolidMetal landing page, we say manufacture are all jobs that have the SolidCam software under wide subscription and the iMachining technology. Amazing technology, right? So this is a no-brainer also for buyers, because the quotes that they will get for customers that have the latest version of SolidCam and use iMachining 2D and 3D, it's the best quotes. It's a no-brainer for them. So really, call your customers. In Israel, we saw that when you call the customers, when you offer them to register, when you help them to register, they want to enlist immediately. Sometimes when you just email customers, you know, customers are very busy, their mind is somewhere else. So not all the time, even if you give them such an amazing gift like SolidMetal, and SolidMetal is really a gift to your customers, it doesn't necessarily mean that they will go immediately and register, because their mind is occupied, they're busy. But if you call them, get their details, you do the hard work for them. You upload their details to the platform.
Sorry, David, hard work, 5-minute registering?
You know, it depends. If a person is busy, so yeah. But I'm saying hard work, not necessarily time-wise, because a person has to stop what he does and does something else. So a lot of customers, we see now, we promote the product, so customer registers immediately. But some customers need help. They need the initial push.
How do you do the initial push? You just call them and do it for them?
Yes, we call them. We take their info. We take the entire. So they basically don't need to do anything. We just ask more details about their machines, about the capabilities, about their materials, and also we have their address. We also sometimes go to the websites and take pictures of the machine shops and their logo and everything. So we do all the work for them, and it's a no-brainer for them. I mean, when we called customers, I mean, in 90% of the cases, they want to join. Also, next week we will also be releasing native Android and iOS applications. So there are other platforms like SolidMetal, but we will be the first platform that is cross-platform and completely translated. So completely localized to all languages and also cross-platform. Or we support mobile right now. Right now, you can also open SolidMetal, as you can see now. You can also open SolidMetal at the mobile. It looks great. You worked very hard on it. We have a very talented team, and it looks great on the mobile. But we will also next week be showing, we hope to show it by the conference in Tel Aviv, native applications on iOS, on Android, and we will be the first platform in the world to be cross-platform that provides this kind of service to end complete localization. So if you call your customers and they ask, why should I enlist to this and not that, there are other platforms, you tell them. Here you have complete localization, you are cross-platform, you can open the application in seconds and chat with everyone, and really, and we have a dedicated team here. I will show also the team briefly. And we are working very hard on the project, and we want always your feedback, your customers' feedback, so we want to get better and even make a better project for your customers. And also for buyers, it's a really great opportunity. You know, sometimes buyers are just companies with ideas, and these platforms enables them to make these ideas come to life, because they upload the project and immediately the manufacturer can start bidding on the project and they get offers instantly. So it's a no-brainer for manufacturers and buyers, and also for you resellers, to make sure your customers stay on subscription, to make sure they use our latest eye machining technology. That's it. I will be happy also to hear your questions. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to hear them now.
Show us the website in German. Go through all the pages. Let's see if everything is German.
Sure, here.
Show me a customer in German.
Of course, we don't.
Why this text is not translated?
Uber ons? What do you?
No, the text after that. It's still in English. So
because this
didn't do his QA the right way.
No, this is the text that the manufacturer uploaded. It's his own
we
text.
don't translate this. Okay. Yeah, I understand what you mean. Yeah, you're right. Okay, because, but then you translate only what we write. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Mm-hmm.
So, of course, also we don't translate the company name.
What if somebody is looking for 3D printing? Do you have already customers registered who can do that? Let's check.
Let's see immediately. Machine type. No, currently we don't have any 3D printing.
Well, we should soon have many of these 3D printing, so that's important to also have this category.
Yes, we will emphasize, of course, all the customers with 3D printing to make sure that it's visible exactly who has CNC and who has 3D printing.
By the way, some companies today that offer services to machine shops are talking to us to put their service through our forum. For example, I'm talking with a company called Imnu. It's a Swiss company that can give a quick quotation based on finding the features of the model, and it has also artificial intelligence, which means after they prepare the quote, if you have already did such a project, they compare it with the actual and somehow improve their knowledge about you as a customer. So the more you use their service, the more accurate they can get. This is an example where we can put their contact through our SolidMetal Marketplace, and there's a lot of other ideas of such possibilities to open to our customers, who are the manufacturers, all kinds of other services through the website. And obviously, if you have any ideas, please send an email to me or to David. How do you see the future of this marketplace, how it could develop further and further to serve our customers?
Yes, please, as much as you can, contact us. Let us know your ideas. As you can see, I'm presenting here on the screen the SolidMetal team. We have a very good team for it. We have developers, Apurva, Ben, Irina. We have a very good QA team, Yelena and Moit, and me, David, and also Rauf Aliev, which is another product manager for the platform. So we are, SolidCam as a company, we are investing really on this product, and we want to make it the best. And we have a long way. But like SolidCam is the best CAM product, also we want SolidMetal to be the best marketplace for CNC.
Well, David, that's good marketing. Yes, we want to be the best in all, in CAM, in additive, in the marketplace. Enjoy and get your customers to join the marketplace. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. See you next week in Tel Aviv.
See you.